Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty. We all have those crazy weekdays where we need dinner in a pinch. As much as I love making homemade pasta and homemade pasta sauce, especially gnocchis and vodka sauce, two of my favorites, I love the brand Delalo for their vodka sauce, and I also love these new Rana skillet gnocchi. I have to say I was a little bit leery on buying them because I love making my own regat gnocchi, or gavadils is how I say it, but they're delicious and my kids just love the texture of how they fry up crispy on the outside and stay nice and pillowy soft on the inside. We're gonna marry the two of these together on the Blackstone for a quick and delicious dinner in under 5 minutes, so let's get cooking. Okay, as much as I love making my own pasta, especially gnocchi, I make a good regat gnocchi that's so super easy. These Rana gnocchis have cut down my time dramatically, and the kids like them, so I'm rolling with it, and these are going to become one of my weeknight dinners. This is something so quick and easy. You can switch out any kind of pasta sauce you want. You can switch out what kind of meat you want to add, or seafood, whatever it is you want. You can add vegetables to it. That's why I love me some pasta. Today for our Delalo vodka sauce, I'm using pancetta, some garlic paste, and I have a bunch of fresh spinach leaves. And of course I have my freshly grated cheese. You can use Parmesan, Pecorino Romano, Grana Padano, any kind of cheese like that you want. As long as you keep a wedge of this in your refrigerator at all times, it really lasts you a good while, and the taste is so superior to anything that you'll buy that's already pre-shredded. Before we get cooking, don't you guys forget to go stop by griddlenation.com, where you can pick up stickers, hoodies, t-shirts, everything you need to show your love for Blackstone. So let's start this off with our Blackstone on low heat. I'm dropping down a little extra virgin olive oil. I usually don't cook with extra virgin. I usually use it only to finish dishes off, but for pasta, I love it. So we'll do a little drizzle of this down. Drop down our pancetta. This is where you can get creative and switch it out for chicken, salmon, sausage, pre-cooked sausages, or anything that you like. Pancetta is already fully cooked, so it only needs about 30 seconds. I'll drop down some of our garlic paste and give that a smear around the griddle top. Let that flavor up our oil, and then we're going to drop down 2 bags of our Rana skillet gnocchi. Toss that so that each and every little pillow of love gets coated in that garlic and olive oil. Let these begin to crisp up on the outside, tossing them every couple minutes, keeping it on low. You don't want to burn these. You want them to get that nice golden brown color. After just a couple minutes, we're going to drop down our fresh spinach. You could add different greens or different vegetables depending on whatever you like, or use up whatever you have in your refrigerator. Fresh spinach cooks down in just seconds on the griddle surface. You could add a little extra drizzle of olive oil if needed at any time throughout this recipe. Now this is seconds from being done already, so we're going to drop down some of our vodka sauce, toss that all together. It smells absolutely delicious. We're going to top this off with some of our freshly grated cheese. I'm gonna pull this off, top it off with a little extra or a lot of extra cheese because I love it. And this was dinner in under 5 minutes, and it is so delicious. I'm not even sure I want to share this with anybody in the house. Now you guys have to go try this one. I know you guys are gonna love it. We all love it here. So when you make it, get creative with adding things to it if you want, or make it just the way I showed you. So post a picture and tag Blackstone Products and tag Blackstone Betty. Until next time, I am Blackstone Betty, and I will see you guys in the next video.